I don't feel nothing too hot just yet. Ow! Oh, ow, 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 shit, no. It's still pretty hot. What's going on, everybody? So we got the Ranger here. I pulled the motor and all back out of it last week. I was going to weld the mounts up. As soon as I got the motor pulled out and got it hanging there, it come a daggone downpour. So I said, screw it, went inside, and it hung right there till the next day. I finally got her set down on the ground. But it was all the way up there, so I don't think she got too much rainwater in her. I got her pushed back here. I'm about to break the welder out and get these little homemade mounts welded all the way out. When I first done these, I was going to stick a piece of plate down here and then put the square tube into the plate and weld it all up, since it's got these holes and whatnot in it. But I just said screw it, stuck it straight to it. So I'm gonna weld it all the way out. I might put a little brace on each side or something, but I think it'll be all right. I don't believe it'll go anywhere. We're gonna get that done, and I'm gonna try to do away with some of this crap and maybe get rid of some of this spaghetti. This is actually the first day. It's been pretty much sunny all day and ain't had some rain, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit done. We'll see what we can do. So this video won't be very exciting, you know, just welding and getting rid of stuff. So nothing spectacular, but I figured something's better than nothing. Plus I give y'all a little update on everything else too. It might work if you put a daggone ground on it, idiot. Alright. Now, let's try again. I'm gonna have to get in this joker to get the other side. Yeah, up under there, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Awkward ass positioning up in here, man. There you go. I got most of it. That's good enough. Yeah, let's not beat on it too much. It might break off, but it seems solid for now. Alright, now this one here should be even more fun. Keep my ass from getting too damn fried. Alright, yeah, I don't know about that. Oh man, I don't feel nothing too hot just yet. Alright, I think we might be alright. Ooh. Alright. Ow! Oh, ow, 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 shit, no, no. Damn. Yeah, it's still pretty hot. Alright, as I get my ass burnt and get all in these awkward ass positions, now I realized I should have made something where I could bolt this part to the frame, and then I could have pulled it all off to weld it up. But you know, sometimes they're dumbasses. Maybe if I double this up, yeah, put it on there, then maybe it won't burn my ass. Alright, let's just do this quick. How about that? Oh, we got a big gap over here. Great. Can't see it. It's all dirty as hell, nasty as hell, so just glob it on there. Want some motors in here. I don't want nobody to see that shit anyhow. Looks like Dookie, but I don't care, because she ain't going nowhere. Yep, next time I would definitely make it where this piece will bolt to the frame rail. And I had a big ass gap over here, about a quarter inch wide, because I didn't do my measurements very good. I just kind of cut out a piece of metal and stuck it up there and tacked it on. So it is what it is. Junkyard build. When I mean junk, I mean junk, damn it. You ain't gotta worry about it being pretty. You just gotta worry about it being functional. All I gotta get is right there on this side and down on the bottom. I wish I had a daggone mirror. Had me a mirror here, that way I won't have to be all upside down. Yeah, this is a pain in the ass. I got two rods in my back, so me being bent over in all these awkward ass positions, Definitely ain't doing me no favors right now. We're gonna get it. We almost got it. I'm thinking about putting this thing up on the ramps. That way I can just lay right there, and then I can get to it easier and be able to see it and weld it all up while the fire and the flames and sparks fall down on my belly and in my armpits and all that good stuff and burn the hell out of me. But I think that's what we might do. Portable shop floor down, so let's see if this will work or not. Well, would you look at that? Now I got a good view. Shouldn't be too much of a pain in the ass now. Man, why didn't I come down here to start with? You know, always do it the hard way first. Only thing is, now I'm gonna get my ass burnt. Look at that big ass gap. That's how it was all the way up, but we'll get it. We got it, each one of them, pretty much all the way around on top and bottom. I think it'll be good enough. And if it's not good enough, then oh well, we'll have to figure something else out later. A little paint on her so it won't rust up really bad, only a little bit. And blue is all I got, if you're wondering. Or at least that's the first I found. I probably got some black somewhere, but blue is what I found first. Blue it is. Damn it. Don't you spray upside down. Hey look, there's some water. Paint the water too. Alright, that's good enough. Actually looks pretty dang beautiful if you ask me. Alright, I guess now we can focus our attention over here with this mess. Start getting rid of all this. Actually held on pretty good. I guess I'll have to do it the right way and unbolt everything. Alright, now I can get all the bolts out. Alright, well we got our mounts in there all welded up. Got a little paint on them, make them nice and pretty. And then with a little persuasion from my grinder, hammer and crowbar, we was able to get all that mess out of the way. Now I'm gonna leave all the wiring for now because I want to go through it and figure out which one of the wires are hot with the key on and which are hot with the key off. That way I can save them. So we ain't gonna cut the wiring out just yet, but I gotta go pick up my little boy here in a minute, so I'm gonna be done with this one for today. But I'm probably gonna move my daddy's C10 up here in the Ranger spot because I plan on working on it next. And we'll do a little update on everything too real quick. We got her pulled up here in the working on vehicle spot. So after this video, the next one should be a video on this. I know a lot of y'all's ready to see something on this thing. That includes me too. I'm ready to drive it down the road. Hopefully that's what we'll do in the next video. And as far as updates on everything, my C10 here is still down. It needs a fuel pump. Today's Thursday, so next Friday I'll have a little bit of money. I might try to get a fuel pump for her, get her back up and going at least within the next couple weeks. I still need to holler at a few of my buddies, see if anybody around here has got a good use when I can get off of them. And then as far as that old orange truck out there, the last time I talked to the guy that owns it, he was talking about selling it, so I really don't know about that thing. I guess I need to get up with him and see what he plans on doing with it. We got motor mounts and stuff for it, but like I said, last time I talked to him, he was talking about selling it, so I ain't fooled with it since. And as you can see, there's no more S10 here. My buddy that owned it, he ain't really in no financial position to be building no hot rods, so he ended up just getting rid of the S10, which is probably the best thing to do since I needed the room anyhow. So S10's gone, won't be no more S10 project, but we ain't gonna take on any more projects that we don't plan on finishing. I know a lot of people get tired of me bringing stuff on here and then crap don't even get done. I get tired of bringing stuff over here and it don't get done, so I'm gonna make sure if we do anything else, bring any more project vehicles, anything over here to do for anything, then we're gonna make sure they're gonna get done, so it won't be no no bunch of bull crap, you know. So as you see, we got a couple holes left in the firewall. I know a lot of people wonder what I was gonna do with that. And as you can see, we got a big old piece of diamond plate aluminum here. So I'm just gonna basically cut a piece of that out, slap it over them holes, you know, put it on there. That'll cover that up. It'll be kind of pretty and fancy to match our nice motor mounts there. I think it'll complement well. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do for that. Just gonna put a piece of diamond plate over it, just to cover them up, and then we can mount stuff on that if we need to, relays and stuff like that or whatever. As far as little Nissan, it's still here. We still gonna be building this thing. We just gotta get a good motor for it. The guy that owns the truck, he decided just to try to find another motor. But in the meantime, what I'm gonna do is take the motor that we already got that's bad, no good, is just use it for mock-up. You know, just set it down in here with the transmission and all, and get our mounts and all figured out. Now on this thing, I'm gonna take a lot more time with it and do some measuring and stuff, making sure the mounts is nice and perfect in this rig. Ranger over there, it's just the old junkyard build. I ain't trying to put a bunch of money in it. It's my truck, it's not somebody else's, so I ain't worried about it being pretty and perfect. I just wanted it functional. I literally just stuck the motor in there, got it centered up with my eyeballs, and tacked all the tubing in there. That's literally all I did. I spent 20 minutes doing it all probably. But with this thing, you know, since we're building this for somebody else, we're gonna definitely take our time with it and get it all mounted in there right and where it needs to be. But I need the headers to be able to do that, so we're waiting on him to find some headers, or me to find some headers and him be able to get them, because we're gonna need the headers to make sure we get the motor position in the right spot. But as soon as we get some headers, we'll start on this thing. So I meant to get this video up to y'all probably 4 or 5 days ago, but I accidentally deleted some of my video clips I had, so I'm having to redo some of it. I'm sorry about that. Y'all would have had a video a week ago if it wasn't for my dumb ass. But I want to talk to y'all about that Patreon stuff. I know a lot of YouTubers have Patreon accounts where people can donate to subscribe, and then they get exclusive content. I think you can put whatever on there. You can just put paragraphs of writing or pictures, videos, stuff like that, but it won't be on your YouTube channel. You'll have to go to the Patreon site, I guess, to watch it or see any of it. But it's exclusive to whoever subscribes to it. So if that's something that some of y'all might be interested, just let me know. I'm just trying to think of different ways to do stuff, you know, and I'm probably gonna make a Facebook page for my YouTube channel eventually too. So when I do that, I'll let y'all know. But if there's anybody that might be interested in the Patreon stuff, I got a lot of old pictures of hot rods and a couple of videos and stuff like that from years ago, before I even thought about YouTube. But yeah, I could put some of that stuff on there for y'all. I don't know. Y'all just let me know what y'all think about it. I don't really know a whole lot about it myself. I have to look into it a little bit more. It might not even be something I want to do. I don't know. But I just figured I'd run it by y'all. I put it at the end here, so I figured whoever watches to the end of the video will probably be the ones that might be interested in it. So y'all just let me know what y'all think. I'm almost here to pick up my little boy now, so that's gonna be the end of this one. Y'all just like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Later.